up, party peeps? Welcome back to the next YouTube video. Today we're gonna try and crack open the S1E4. Now when I say crack open, we're just gonna take this valve cover off because there's a crack in whatever this is. I think it has something to do with the PVC system. Not entirely sure, but I think that's what it is. I've already had the intake manifold off because there was a crack in the intake manifold, and this is the intake manifold from another engine. So I've seen the valves and they were clean. So now we're gonna get this off and see what it looks like from up here and hope for the best. Honestly, if this engine is crap, I'm gonna be very upset. Okay, now honestly, it doesn't look that bad. This is a relatively low mileage engine. Low mileage as in like 110,000, I think. So everything looks pretty clean. There's no scoring on the cam lobes. Nothing major. Again, I'm also an untrained professional. I generally have no idea what I'm looking at. But as far as I can tell, everything looks clean. Now, I had another one sitting outside from another engine, but she also looks a little rough, and she's also been sitting outside for a while. So I think I'm just gonna suck it up and just get a new one. But I'd love a billet one, so if any companies out there want to send me a billet one, that'd be awesome, because I don't have billet money. But yeah, so I guess that was a complete waste of time. So we're just gonna toss this old girl back on. Now I know there's a specific order that you're supposed to torque these down in, but I'm not gonna get them. I'm not gonna make them super tight because I just gotta take this off again anyway. So let's just get these back on there. It was at least nice to crack the top end open and check the cams and make sure everything looked good. As far as I'm concerned, it looked fine to me. So let's get this put back together and then go from there. Alright, how much do we want to bet that you hear me in a future video saying that this was a really bad idea? Oh, man. That's what I'm talking about. Get that gas all over me, baby. Now, it's proven fact that if you put on your safety squints, nothing bad will happen. And the fumes are also very strong. Wow. This one's next. Alright, safety squints engaged. Nothing happened. That was very anticlimactic. So let's see if these bolts even want to break loose before I go any further. Okay, squint engage, 3, 2, 1. Alright, who wants to bet me? How much do we, what do we think's gonna happen here? A, it's gonna come off really easy. B, it's gonna snap in half. I have a slight feeling it's gonna be B. Let's see. Holy shikeys. It actually, no, fine. Come on. Oh, it snapped. It snapped in half. Did I break that one? Hold on. No, I didn't. Let's go. All right, 1 for 2. Not quite passing yet, but I'll take that. All right, 2 for 3. Now, well, I don't know what the percentage is on that, but I think good. Now, can we get it with this, or we go? Oh, see, that's what I was talking about. Luckily, that didn't go in my eyeball, but it did go on my face. Oh, shoot, shoot. Oh, God. All right, well, it's out. There's still something holding up. Not sure what. But I'm just gonna let the fuel drain and wash the fuel off my hands. And then we'll see what's going on.
I'm as green as I wanna be. Cruising through the late night shifts on a jet ski, blowing out. Blowing smoke out my head, it's fine. I don't even know the time, I don't really know the feel. She don't even know what's up, tell her, tell me how you really feel.